Hi, this is János, this is Real World Audio, and today, as you see, we are going to experience a really big change that has come through your support. As you know, I have that buy me a coffee thingy set up where you can share with me donations and I can use them to help modernize the channel, to make your experience better and to give back what you have given me. And as part of this, we are going to experience something really awesome, really phenomenal, and let's see that. So now you see we have something truly special happening here, and this is let me see, I can share my screen through a really wonderful means, and you see me through a different camera right now, which is my computer's camera. And there we go. Today I'm going to start with Derek Wong's comment, and he said that just stumbled onto your channel, great stuff that is consistent with my views and my mentors. I'm working on power cables now. Have you tried DIY Helix? And actually I'm not sure there's loads of people building DIY Helix power cords, or I don't recall reading about them. There were a lot of Helix geometries that people tried for interconnect cables, and I think for power cords you can go something more complicated like a Helix and might be advantageous, but it's going to become really hard to make that Helix with thickness sufficient enough for a power cord. And maybe you can go something like a Kimber cable style, many smaller gauge cables crisscrossing, and try to use that. You can try. I have not tried that. What I can suggest is for you to try it out, and then you can report how it goes, and also try out just having two parallel conductors, so one for the neutral, one for the hot, and just space them out. Leave space between them. Don't worry about how close they are, just let them naturally have a distance between two of them, and that's it. I think that's what you need. Can you do better than that? Probably you can. Do you need to go much better? I don't know, and I don't know if you can go better. For my part, I am not going to try anything more complicated. There's with any kind of DIY designs, and there's always a point where it is very straightforward and easy to build using reasonable amount of resources, and reasonable that are both resources finance wise and resources that is like materials, how hard is it to source them, and what I've noticed that the simplest you can do a power cord or interconnect or speaker cable, the more consistent the results you are getting. And when you go for more complicated, there is just a tiny bit of improvement that you can get beyond that simplest path, but there's also a vast array of complexity that arises where you can go wrong and where it can backfire on you. So I would say that when you go for a more complex topology for a power cord, tread very carefully, very lightly, very critically. What I would recommend now that you are trying out different DIY power cords is just to go with as high quality conductor as you can get for the budget that's available for you, and go as heavy gauge as you can get, and not like a solid wire. Try multiple thinner gauges running together and make the total gauge count as high as possible, and use high quality ends on both ends, and you will have really a fantastic power chord for yourself. So that's it for today, this nice little video. Now let's just switch back to the main camera here. So thank you everyone for your support to enable me to improve this channel. So from now on we are going to be able to look at stuff that I show on the computer screen directly through the screen, so we don't have to look at it through some wonky angle through the camera. So now let's see if this really works, and if you see it, then it means it has worked. And I have an even better news, which is that if this works, it also means that this will also work for live streaming. So basically from now on we will be able to do finally some live streams which are much better quality than what you have experienced from my channel before, and we can be more consistent with it. So thank you everyone for your really truly generous support for Buy Me a Coffee, and thank you Derek, and thank you everyone who just stumbled on my channel, and I really hope that you find it encouraging, and you get new ideas on what else to try out, where to go, and how you can enjoy music and your system better. So thank you, have an amazing day, and now let's see how I can stop this recording. Bye bye.